This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Heather Delamarter. Seasonal rental new to the market. Charming 3 halves coastal cottage located in the Central Beach area of Vero Beach, Florida. Recently renovated, well-designed spacious floor plan that's all on one level. The home features designer finishes, vaulted ceilings with floors, large island and eat-in kitchen, and walls of windows that provide seamless indoor/outdoor living. The outdoor kitchen allows seasonal enjoyment poolside and evening entertainment under the stars. The home is located near the Riverside Dog Park and Riverside Theater, and close to the ocean, shopping, and the best dining on Ocean Drive. For more information, review the details below or contact Heather Delamarter at 772-321-3056.